Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox with an updated video tour for my platform, HarveySilverFox.com. Make money online training and bonuses. You're going to find the video right here. I'll be replacing the video that's in there now with this video. On my platform, I offer a variety of training and tools and bonuses, software, to build any money-making opportunity that you happen to be working. In other words, there's no excuses. You don't need to go anyplace else. You're going to find everything that you need right here on my HarveySilverFox.com Make Money Online Training and Bonuses platform. So scroll down in the description of this video to find the link to register to get on this platform here. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do, of course, like I said, is watch the tour video, but then you want to go here, free access to 2,000 leads. So let's click through and take a look at it. You start here. You're going to click here to access these 2,000 leads that they happen to be on a spreadsheet. Make sure that you do watch or read the instructions here to learn how to use these leads. And I do change these leads out a couple times a month to keep them fresh. Then work your way down here. Now, click on the image below if you want to receive a minimum of 100 fresh leads a day with an automated delivery system for your email message. Now, once you do join, you're going to be able to participate in the lead swap, the weekly lead swap, where you'll be able to receive a minimum of 200,000 leads every week. Every week. So click here for the next lesson. And there's a video here that explains how the leads swap works. And of course, after about 5 or 6 weeks, you're going to have over 1 million leads. And I talk about a delivery system in here because those leads you just can't plug into AWasia. It's not going to work. And of course, you can't email them through Gmail. So you're going to learn about a delivery system in here. All right, let's head on back here, work our way back. Now, the video I'm producing right now, I'm going to use the tools that are located here to rank this video. So let's take a look. 75% of my quality leads and income are generated from video marketing. So here's the directory of the tools, the training, and the resources right here. Click here to access the directory now. I strongly suggest that you, if you're not, you learn how to do video marketing. Powerful. I make a 6-figure income because of my videos. In fact, I have over 1,000 videos out there on the internet. I've been doing this a long time. I try to make at least a video a day. In fact, this is my 3rd video I'm producing today. So the training, everything that you need to learn about video marketing is on and in this directory here. Here's a streaming service here. Here's another tool that you can use to get your videos out there. The ranking right here, video ranking right here. I use Video Traffic Sniper by Locustware. You need to subscribe to Locustware to pick up that tool. And of course, they have about 50 other tools back there. Many are video ranking related tools back there. Then come down here and learn about sponsor shopping, and what I'm trying to say is you have everything that you need to go out there and start producing a video, 2 videos, 3 videos a day right back here in this directory. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, kind of give you an idea of how I dominate videos out there. Hang on a minute, let me set it up. If you go to YouTube and just type in my name, Harvey Silver Fox, in quotations, you're going to see probably the majority of my videos here. And like I said, I've been doing this for over a decade. So And people say, well, you've got all these videos, you pretty much dominate. I see you everywhere. I mean, I'm not going to be able to compete against you. Yes, you can. Of course, you're going to need to use the tools back there in that directory, but you got to start somewhere, gang. And you got to brand yourself. I talked about that, how to brand yourself. In fact, I have a live training room that we can get into, and I can teach you how to do all this stuff. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is you need to start making videos. Look at all these videos I have. There's just no reason you can't do the same thing. Produce at least a video a day, if not 2 videos a day, because you can have everything that you need to produce these videos and rank these videos back here in the directory, right here. Okay, let's move on. Of course, here's the live training room. Make sure you get in there and register for the live training room. I'm normally in there early in the morning. I don't live in there, but I do spend about 4 or 5 hours early in the morning. That's when you'll be able to catch me. Here's some tools and training about Autobots. Place your marketing on autopilot. Work smarter, not harder. Here's a brand new training and platform that I put together in the last few days. Make money with GoPro and YouTube. And there again, here we are. We're talking about video production, aren't we? Gang, video's where it's at. So I'm going to show you, I'm setting it up right now. And there again, this video will probably be out of date in the next couple of days because I keep adding things and switching things. So don't get confused. But if you go here, my first video production that I'm going to try to make it go viral is HarveySilverFox Scorpion Hunter. My business partner Marty, and we talk every morning. I've been going in my house. Scorpions are in my house, and scorpions are out in my yard. I live in Phoenix, Arizona. Marty says, well, why don't you do a video? Make a video on your scorpion hunting events. And then we'll set it up. There's places on the internet. Of course, YouTube is one place. We can make it go viral there. But there's other places that we can place that video and monetize it so people will pay you to watch your scorpion hunting. So this is going to be my first project for my brand new GoPro Hero. It's called GoPro Hero Black. And as I go along here, I'm going to be doing some teaching and showing you how you can go out there. And if you have a camera, if you have a GoPro camera, we can learn with each other and make some money using our GoPro cameras. Let's head on back. Now, the viral video downline builder marketing system, if you haven't built one for you, you need to request that I do so. So click through here and then start here. Click on this image here to request your free viral video downline builder marketing system. I'm not going to get into too much detail and let you go through and watch the video, watch the training. In fact, go here next lesson. This is going to be a sample. This is a sample video that I'm going to produce for you and whatever money making opportunity. In this case here, it's for Raphael, his global domain, GDI business. Okay, kind of get an idea of how yours is going to look. So make sure you do request your free viral video downline builder marketing system here. Now, over here is the 6-figure email profits training course. Now, if you're not making a 6-figure income, you really need to go through this course. It's a really detailed course, step by step by step. And right here, I explain why 98% of internet marketers fail. And the question is, are you one? So if you're not making a 6-figure income, you need to go through this course here. And I think when you get to the end of this course, the light bulb's going to go on. You're going to say, oh, that's what I've been doing wrong. So I'm back. I will produce a free webinar for you for my live training. So click here and check that one out. This is called the buyer acceleration method. It's a free PDF download that you can pick up. Here's some more leads. Of course, AWeber, you need an AWeber account or GetResponse or whatever. But as time goes along, you're going to be adding more ways to generate leads by having others do it for you. It's called viral lead generation. So check this one out. And let's see what we else got. Okay, we got Facebook training. I could go on and on and on. In fact, I will go on and on. I'm going to be placing a lot of Facebook marketing and training and tools back in this location. Here's some ClickBank affiliate marketing training, blogs. I'm working on putting that blog training course together. And of course, Twitter marketing. Okay, you've taken the tour, the new tour video. And like I say, chances are this video will be out of date in the next couple of days. So that's fine. I'll keep making them. Make sure you watch for my daily emails. Very important because I give a lot of tips. In fact, I put some training videos in my daily emails. So when you go to HarveySilverFox.com, you're going to register and you should start receiving my daily emails. In fact, this week I'm going to be working on my GoPro, so watch for those emails to come every day this week, all right? Okay, that said, this is Harvey the Silver Fox. You know what to do. I'll be waiting for you inside my live training room every morning, early in the morning, ready to help build your business.